Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To soothe a sore throat and cough, gargle with warm salt water, sip herbal teas with honey, and inhale steam to relieve congestion. Drinking plenty of fluids and using a humidifier can also help. Ginger and licorice root teas are effective natural remedies for reducing irritation and inflammation in the throat.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.